Thank you very much for letting us look at your cars today. Lauren, your tyre pressures were pretty spot on. Okay. Well done.
Thank you.
How important is it for you to check them?
Really important. I usually check them maybe once every couple of months.
Oh, good girl. Gold star.
Thanks.
And Ian, you've had some windscreen wiper issues lately, haven't you?
Yeah, my back wipers automatically come on when I reverse, so it was really cold one morning and they actually stuck to the window itself, so when they actually come on, then it rips it completely off.
That's something we can all be wary of, for sure.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah. And Elliot, I don't even know where to begin. Not much oil and not much coolant.
I had no idea, and clearly don't have any idea, so I have learned an awful lot today.
Good man. And Gina, how important is it for us to make sure that we keep our cars in tip-top conditions so that then they can look after us?
Yeah, it's very important for safety on the roads and your own safety. Just a level check every couple of weeks to a month or so, and tyres as well.
Have we all learnt something today? Yes.